12th of July 2023, guys. We had an amazing trade, guys. Most of my traders banked 200 plus pips. Let me share with you guys how we analyze the market in Euro USD this morning. That was a pretty straightforward, and if you look at here, we've been long, as you have seen my previous analysis. We've been long on euro yen, euro dollar, and if you look at here, the previously price broke on this previous high. So we were expecting here another pullback at this long trade here. So we had this beautiful breakout. After this breakout, as explained, my trader just keep taking a pullback. So let me share with you guys how we analyze the entry. That's the most key important thing. Is you can see here this morning, before that, you can see here this is the Asian session, pretty straightforward. We had this beautiful breakout, price nicely broken and beautiful as soon as the price hit to the previous high. That's what explained my trader. Let's bank some profit and let's see if we can get another pullback, or let's see the price action. Pretty straightforward. We developed this analysis as explained that the news could be good for the dollar or bad. So based in both cases, this is the price action we were expecting here. If the market is going to break one of these structure, let's keep enjoying it. But based on the price action, this is what we're expecting. We have this impulsive, we have this correction, you can see here. But safer trade, as explained, my trader look for this breakout, price nicely broken, and after the breakout, as explained, my trader just keep taking a pullback. Later on, the market developed another structure, as you can see here, as a pretty straightforward, as we explained to our trader. If the market is going to break this high, keep taking another long trade here. As soon as the price hit to the profit target, which is you can see here, price nicely hit. Being an intraday trader, that's what explained my trader it's time to enjoy some profit. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed this analysis, but if you want to see all that analysis and explanation in real time, most welcome. Join our fast growing trader community. Have a safe trading and wish you all the best.